Hi, this is Dan, Working Man Dan with the Homestead Institute. This is my friend Stumpy, and he's been teaching us how to crab the last couple of days. And this is our catch from today that my kids were able to catch. Do you want to show them how to clean them?
Yeah, it's not much. It's just a matter of popping the back shell off of them. Grab a hold of the legs on one side. You can either use a hand. I like to put a foot under them and just tear them out of the shell. My wife doesn't like them whole like this in terms of cooking them, so I just break them in half, and you can either fold them up or down. And they just pop right in half. And all you wind up doing to clean them, once you've done that, break them in half, is take the gills off, which are these interesting looking things on the outside here, and the chickens seem to like to eat them. And then all this green slimy stuff on the inside, a lot of people call that butter. What you'll wind up doing if you're doing it right on the water is grab them like I've got right here and just shake it in the water, and all that stuff will come right off. But in this case, I can do them right here like this. And the majority of that will come off. Because I don't necessarily like to eat it, but there are a few folks that do. My wife is one of them. And that's, in a nutshell,
or a crab
how you
shell.
clean a Dungeness crab.
Yeah. So thanks.